Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have its upgraded sibling, the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the most important feature of any dash cam video quality. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts 4K Ultra HD recording, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. But wait, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes it up a notch with 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second and even 2.5K at a whopping 60 frames per second. It's like watching a Hollywood action movie in your car. Now let's talk connectivity. Both cameras have built-in Wi-Fi, but the ROVE R2-4K dash cam takes it a step further with Wi-Fi 6. With the ROVE app, you can instantly view and manage your recordings on your iOS or Android devices. But hold on, the ROVE R2-4K Pro introduces advanced 5G Wi-Fi, ensuring lightning-fast connections. It's like having a Wi-Fi hotspot in your car. GPS functionality is crucial for any dash cam, and both cameras deliver. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam accurately records your driving location and speed, allowing you to view your route on Google Maps. But guess what? The ROVE R2-4K Pro takes it a step further by displaying real-time live speed and compass on its LCD screen. You'll never lose your way with this bad boy. Alright, let's dive into the extra features. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with state-of-the-art technology, like a built-in supercapacitor, f1.5 apertures for capturing small details, parking mode, motion detection, and more. But wait, the ROVE R2-4K Pro has an extensive list of features too. It includes voice guidance and alerts, a ring of threads for optional CPL filter, and a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode. It's like having a personal assistant and a bodyguard in one. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam is a fantastic option for capturing high-quality footage with its 4K Ultra HD recording and built-in Wi-Fi. But if you want to take it to the next level, the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam has you covered with its upgraded video capabilities, advanced 5G Wi-Fi, and a plethora of additional features. Well, folks, it's time to wrap up this showdown. The choice is yours. Remember, both cameras are backed by a 1-year warranty and excellent customer support. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons, and as always, happy shopping!